If you would like to know the number one thing you need to focus on to grow your YouTube channel, whether that is just to be a YouTuber or for your business, then stay tuned, watch this video as I reveal all. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, and in this video I'm going to reveal the number one thing you need to focus on when creating videos on your YouTube channel to grow your audience. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos every Tuesday. Now, I've been working with numerous clients over a long period of time to grow their YouTube channels, as well as growing my own. And time again, I found the number one thing to focus on when growing your YouTube channel is to provide value for the viewer. Now, that's it. We can all go home. Once you start focusing on that, you're good to go. Your YouTube channel will explode. Bye for now. Okay, so you're looking for a bit more? Well, I'll tell you a bit more. What you need to do is to focus on what the viewer is looking for. If you want to be a lifestyle YouTuber, then you got to look at what they're looking for behind the scenes that makes you interesting, that they'll come back on a daily basis to watch your videos. If you're in makeup, then what tutorials do they want to help them get the smoky eyes, the latest fashion that is coming out from the people that they're looking at. If you're a business, then what content are your customers, your potential clients, looking for that you can help them with? Focus on the value that you can provide with the content that you're creating. When you keep looking at the subscriber numbers, you're looking at ways and tactics that you can increase them rather than what it is your audience is looking for and the value that you can bring. You're looking for tactics, you're looking at little gimmicks, you're looking at those little things that will get you 1 or 2 subscribers, but further down the road, it'll actually end up turning people off as people get tired of them and you get tired of them as well. And that also comes across in your videos too. That energy comes across and people lose interest. They don't know why, but it's that energy that is coming across through the lens, through the YouTube channel that is turning people away and they just lose interest. I've got a number of clients and their focus is I want X amount of subscribers and I want to get them by this date. And this puts pressure under the people who are working in the marketing department or who are creating the content for them to try and do stuff that will actually help game the system to get more subscribers in a shorter space of time. Again, it takes a focus away from providing value for the end viewer and helping people who are looking for the information that you have. When you're chasing views and subscribers like that, it always seems elusive. It's always just out of touch where you're trying to grab it and it always gets away from you. When you look at just providing value, entertainment, if that's what you want to do, or high value content in the how-to space, or you're demonstrating products or services, when you focus on that, that's when people realize that, they feel it through your content and they subscribe, they watch more of your videos, they pick up the phone, they call your office or email you or go to your website and buy your products. The more you are relaxed about subscribers and viewers, the easier it actually comes. When I was building my channel, I didn't focus on subscribers because I didn't know what to expect. So I just kept focusing on the content. I focused on the analytics. I let the analytics tell me how my videos were performing, what I could do then to create better content that I knew my audience would watch, and then the views and the subscribers followed. From a big picture perspective, when you're looking at providing the end value for your end viewer, just as you would it for a client or a customer, then that's when you get the most from it. What value are you providing for your viewer? What is it that they get from watching your videos? Let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know what that is. And if you are unsure of what this is, then what could it be? What could your potential viewers and subscribers get from your content that you can definitely provide? Again, let me know in the old comments area below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere here, and also make sure to click on one of these fine specimens of video to help you grow your YouTube channel.